Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to be upgrading the wiper blade arms on my 71 F100 to the newer style J-hooks. It just seems like it's more common to be able to get them around parts stores. First thing I did here was I bought some Dorman 42631 wiper arms. They are for the 73 to 79 F100s and other F-Series trucks. Obviously it's not going to be a direct replacement, so I had to drill out these 1/8 rivets. I went ahead and drilled it out on both sides. You can see that here. I was then able to wiggle the arm back towards where it clips onto the truck and unhook the spring. The arm itself needed to be shortened 3¼ inches, so here I moved the holes. You can kind of see here where I just scratched them. Here I drilled both the holes and then I scratched the mark to shorten the whole arm itself. You'll notice I made that other one a little bit wider so I can get the spring to clip on easier. I did get really close to the edge though, so be careful when drilling. Here's what it looked like cut off. You can tell that hole is really wide, so just be careful. Here's what it looks like slid back to the housing. I went a little bit further back to where it mounts onto the vehicle just so I can get that spring in a little bit easier and then slide it out. Once I got it all lined back up, I was able to put in a 1 1/8 rivet. Got that back in. It seemed to be pretty good. Here's a picture of it being done on both sides. Came out pretty nice. I wish I would have took some black paint and put it over those rivets to give it a little bit cleaner look. Here's what it looked like back out on the truck. I have one notched a little bit higher because the cowl's not able to close it. I did go back and end up raising the other one. You'll see here in this next picture that it got a lot better coverage when it was raised just a little bit. So make sure you raise them both 1 notch. After modifying, it now takes 16-inch wiper blades. We've been getting pretty bad snowfall down here and actually seem to have worked out pretty great. While I was out working on the truck, I noticed that I've been leaking fuel here at the filter. So I just went ahead and replaced both these fuel lines on the filter while I was at it. It seems to be running a lot better now. Thank you for watching. I hope you come back for more F100 content. Hope you enjoyed.